Students, my warm greetings to all of you. Now I am going to teach you how to write a good letter according to the norms of CBSE. So letter writing is an art. So it reveals our personality the way we write a good letter. So according to the CBSE norms, we will see how many types of letters we have to study for exams. Modern world is world of trade, commerce and business. Commercial correspondence or business letters play an important role in our personal life as well as in our public life. As business letter is quite different from personal letter, its form, tone and content is quite formal. It needs an impersonal and a matter of fact treatment. So we must avoid to write unnecessary things in formal letters. Otherwise it will spoil our letter. Let us see. According to the norms of CBSE or latest syllabus, only we have to study formal letters. Namely, let us see what type of letters. Placing order. This is regarding business. When we need to place some order. Second one, inquiry. This is also regarding business inquiry. Third one, letter of complaint or this is a letter of complaint regarding business. A letter to editor. This is regarding newspaper. Okay, what is the word limitation for all these letters? Generally, the ideal word limitation is 100 to 120 words. Maybe little less also, but you should not go beyond 120. Otherwise, it will be lengthy and boring some letter. Okay, format and general norms of the letter. Let us see. First one, the first norms. On the top of the letter or letter pad, we need to give the sender's address. I have written here GLA College Campus, Baralota Daltonganj, Palamu, Jharkhand. So this must appear on the top of your letter or letter pad. Okay, second stage. Date. Generally date is written below the sender's address. There are different ways of writing dates. So we see here 20th April 2020. This is the correct form. April 20th, comma 2020. This is also correct form. This type of writing we use in our daily writings but not appropriate to the formal letters. So kindly avoid this type of date formats. Clear? The third one, write the name of firm, institution, department whom you are writing letter. The mayor, I have written here, the mayor, municipal corporation, Daltonganj, Palamu, Jharkhand. And after that, salutation is very, very important. Normally we write, dear sir, or madam, or sir, respected sir, or madam, honorable sir, or madam. So these are the ways to write salutation. Okay, the fifth stage, body or content. We must be very particular in writing only necessary things regarding our work or content or matter, and we must avoid to write unnecessary things or which are not appropriate to the letter. And while writing, we must keep in mind that we are using polite and respectful words. These are very, very important, such as I would like to inform you, I'd like to draw your attention. So may, could. So these are the polite words. And your letter must be systematic and logical. So your writing must follow a proper order. Okay, sixth stage, the complementary clause. This we have studied from childhood onwards, so we know. Yours truly, yours sincerely, sincerely yours, yours faithfully. Okay, seventh stage, your signature. Here we have to keep in mind, when you are writing informal letter, you are writing only the first name. But while writing formal letters, you need to write your full signature or full name. So this is very, very important, and designation also. Okay, another important thing, keep in mind, the world is changing, so everything is changing. At present, we see in all the letters on top, company's name, telephone number, email address is printed. So this is also important. This must appear on the top of your letter pad. Okay, I have prepared an example for you to how to write a good letter regarding placing order. Letter on placing order. Question is that, write a letter to the Janta Bookstore, Ranchi, placing bulk order of books needed for school library. You can invent your own details. The answer follows. On the top, I have given again address, as we have seen in the format, St. John's School, Karbala Tank Road, Ranchi. Then after that follows date, 12th June 2020. And after date, subject, order for books. Then after that, salutation. I am reading now. We have received, must be here have. We have received the catalog sent by you regarding the purchase of books. Regarding the purchase of books for library. We are happy that you are providing 30% discount. However, we would expect a special discount as some dealers are providing to educational institutions. This is the list of the books are attached herewith. Okay, I have drawn here table, and you see how the cells are drawn here. Serial number, name of the book, author or publisher, number of copies. First one, Arabian Night, Harper and Collins. How many copies we need? 50. Second one, History of Ancient India, Romila Thapar, author. And how many books we need? 20. Third one, English Grammar, Rain and Martin. Number of copies? 40. Fifth one, Oxford Dictionary, Oxford publication. Number of copies? 40. Sixth one, Notes on Phonetics, Father John Frederick. Number of copies? 100. And at the end, you must write warnings. All the books must be in their latest edition or delivered in a proper shape and condition. Otherwise, it will not be acceptable. And at the end, yours truly, Father James Topo, Principal, St. John's School, Ranchi. So this is what we have seen, how to write a good letter. I hope you have understood. In the next video, I will teach you how to write another letter, the letter of inquiry and letter of complaint. We shall see. Thank you very much for your kind attention.